Let's make this chicken and dumpling stew. The first bite goes to you. Lightly season 6 boneless chicken thighs with salt and pepper. Wash your hands after handling raw chicken so that you don't spread salmonella or campylobacter bacteria. Add 4 tablespoons of butter to a Dutch oven or large pot. Cook on medium-high heat and let's add in our chicken. I like using boneless, skinless chicken thighs because it's easier to shred at the end. Let these sear for 3 minutes on each side. Meanwhile, let's go over to our cutting board. To keep extra celery fresh in the fridge, be sure to wrap up in aluminum foil and make sure the ends are wrapped tight. Chop 4 celery sticks about a 1/2 inch thick. Chop 4 carrots about a 1/2 inch thick. I don't know about you, but this kitchen smells amazing. Dice 1 onion smaller than the carrots and the celery. Let's add the veggies to the pot. Loosen up some of the brown stuck-on stuff on the bottom because that's where all the seasoning and flavor is. If you need to add more butter, add 2 tablespoons. Add 2 cloves of garlic and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. The flour is going to help thicken up our soup. Let's add in 6 cups of chicken stock and 1 bay leaf. Let's add our chicken back to the pot. Also add that chicken juice. Turn up the heat, bring to a boil, hit pause, and meet me back here after it has come to a boil. Now that it's boiling, turn down the heat. Let it simmer for 45 minutes. Let's make the dumplings. Add 1 cup all-purpose flour to the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Give it a whisk. Add 2 tablespoons of shortening. Cut in your shortening with your fork until your shortening turns into the size of a pea. Add in 2/3 cup of buttermilk. Spray 2 spoons with cooking spray. Place your dumplings on top of your stew. Put the lid on, turn down the heat, let it simmer for 15 minutes, and enjoy.